This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Where did the sand in my eyes come from?
Oopsie, pardon. Production costs.
What production?
Sandcastle production.
Can you even build?
Of course. Look at the pile I made.
And what's next?
Then I'll be delegating.
I had a feeling. Hey guys, Sam has delegated castle building to me, and I have no idea where to begin. Do you like playing with sand? Give a thumbs up if you do.
Excuse me. Hey, excuse me.
What, Sam?
Let's talk more work. Get to it.
Okay. First, I'll add some water.
Hey, why water? No water?
I can't make anything out of dry sand. It has to be damp.
You gotta find a way with no water. Pretty please.
I have an idea. Come on, I'll show you.
Okay.
We'll make your castle out of special squishy sand.
Dry?
Dry. I have these cute little molds, and I'll be using them for the castle parts. Sam!
What? It suits me.
Sure, no doubt. Okay, first, let's make the…
Wow!
Okay, walls. I need to stuff the mold with sand and make sure that all the little parts are filled as well. Just like this. Really press it in, guys. And now I'll flatten it out and flip. Wow, looks pretty nice.
Sand looks boring.
Well, the castle won't be. Okay, let's make a second wall. Pour the sand and fill it up. And then flip. Cool. You like it, Sam? Sam?
I'm here. I was hiding from those who haven't subscribed. Subscribe, please, guys. Oh, thank you so much. Do it, my little helper. Come on.
Yes, sir. What should I do next, sir?
Build defensive towers.
Defensive towers, sir. These molds will make the castle look so much cooler than if I were to shape it myself. I'd ruin it.
You don't say.
Sam, why do you even need a castle?
Because.
Okay, now I'll make the roofs for the towers. I'll take this mold and get the sand in nice and tight. You get the idea. This sand is better than kinetic sand. And flip. There we go.
Hey Sue, do you know how to make a tissue dance?
No, and I don't want
put a
to.
little boogie in it.
Oh, that's just wrong. The castle is almost ready. Just need to get this last roof in.
Not that one, this one.
Oh, whatever.
By the way, where is my promised candy?
What? When did I promise you candy?
You probably forgot. You were falling asleep last night and then said, I must not forget to give Sam candy first thing tomorrow.
Really? Here, I'm sorry.
Thank you.
All right, the castle is ready. I just have to assemble all the parts. And this one here. Oh, wow. And that there. Stack it on top. Oh, man. It's so close. Nice and squishy. We'll add it right here at the bottom. And some more. last touch and wow! Guys, did you like the sandcastle? If you did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Sam's channel. We'll have a lot of fun. Bye!
I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard enough. All I wanted was to break your walls. All you ever did was wreck me. Didn't see that coming.
See if you can top that. Oh!
Ouch!
I win that round.
Is everything okay? Why is there so much water?
Oh, Your Highness! It's an absolute disaster! There's a leak down at the harbor, and the water is rising! Just look at the garden! And she continues to play her trivial bubble-blowing contest!
Hey, loosen your collar, Countess. We're entitled to have some fun sometimes, aren't we?
Not during a catastrophe! If the water gets as far as the castle, well, we're...
I'll guard the castle.
But there's no water over there.
Exactly.
How did I end up surrounded by such oafs?
It's okay, Elizabeth. Show me where the leak is.
It's a really bad leak. We've got to fix it. Otherwise, the castle will be underwater in no time. Here, I'll call a plumber.
That should be the last of their silly bubbles. Now Billy has more important things to deal with, like floods. Are you sure these are all the plumbers in Magic-Key?
I sure think so. We're arresting everyone who even looks like a plumber.
What rightful right do you have to hold me here?
By this law, right here. Any and all plumbers are to be arrested immediately. Law invented, passed half an hour ago by the twin princesses. It's so cool being a twin princess.
It's an absolutely scandalous scandal. I'm a wizard, not a plumber.
Well, you look like a plumber with those pants. To the dungeon with you. This is so great. With no plumbers to help Billy stop the leak, we'll be done with her silly bubble-blowing games once and for all. Games? We'll be done with her whole kingdom. Maybe if we twist it a little tighter, we can stop the leak.
Look what I found. Did someone use this to break the faucet?
It's pink. And I don't know any plumber in Magic-Key who uses pink tools.
Speaking of plumbers, not one of them seems to be around. I've called them all and no one answers.
Then we're going to have to stop the leak without their help. Princess, did I hear you say help? A pool party? How nice of you to invite me. No, Zsa Zsa, we're trying to stop the water. Oh, really, bud? How do you have a pool party without any water? Zsa Zsa, we have to stop the water from rising. Can you help? Oh, I know. I have just the thing. Oopsie. I'll go get a new wand.
It's hopeless! I'll be at the castle preparing for evacuation.
Billy, look over there. Isn't that the emergency drain for when the harbor gets too full?
It is! But why is it plugged up? I'll bet the twin princesses are up to no good.
Princess! The water's rising throughout the kingdom! Hey, you giggling guppies, what's so funny?
Nothing. Only that the twin princesses were right.
With the water rising like this, pretty soon we'll be swimming. In Princess Billy's room.
Why, you...
Back off or we'll splash you.
Sir Kitty Cat, paddle us over to that hole. We have to pull the plug before it's underwater.
Princess Billy, save me!
Oh, what was that?
I said, Princess Billy, save me!
Ed!
It sounded like it was coming from the twin princess's castle.
Hurry! We have to help them!
Allow me.
Huh? What a perfect day. Isn't it wonderful to have the sea right here now? Yeah, we'll finally have a beach all to ourselves, just like Billy has. Or had. Huh? What have you done with Ed?
Princess, I'm being imprisoned as a prisoner with oodles of ogres.
So that's where all the plumbers went. Set them free right now! We will. Just as soon as we're sure they can't do anything to stop that leak from flooding your kingdom.
You mean the same leak that's flooding your kingdom too?
Maybe the water's high enough. I don't want our pink dress collection ruined. And what about our shoes? Sydney! Release the prisoners!
This is gonna cost you!
Okay, you can go fix the faucet now so our castle doesn't get flooded.
There's not a chance of a chance we'd help you princesses now.
What should we do now?
Let's get back to the harbor. We can't give up. Oh! We have to stop this leak right now or the kingdom will be lost. Uh-oh. Oh. That's it! Shasha, can I have that bubble blower? Whoa!
Princess, that's the biggest bubble I've ever seen.
Shasha, can you make it strong? That will stop the flood from rising for now. But we have to take that plug out so the water can drain.
It's far too dangerous, Your Highness.
But it's the only way to save Magicy. I'm going to need you to make this next bubble extra strong, okay?
I'm going with you.
I'd never help the double troubles, but for you, Princess, I'm always willingly willing to pipe up.
Thank you, Ed. You can release the bubble. Now let's replace this faucet. Well, the water's gone down. We didn't get flooded after all. Yeah, we stayed dry while Billy's kingdom got drenched.
What's that? Huh?
Ah, there! This faucet won't let out a lick of a leak, I assuredly assure you.
Hooray! The leak is fixed! Thank you, Ed. You saved the kingdom.
No, Princess, you're the one who saved us. Magicy is lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magicy. You know what, Truman? I'm not giving up on this game that easily.
Hey, you fixed it!
Oh, well, what do you know? The game works just fine. I must have accidentally hit the remote. Instead of trying to ruin other people's games, try playing one sometime and maybe you like it. So, do you want to play or not? I want to be on Billy's team.